In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark messages as unread on Facebook Messenger. This is a simple way to flag conversations you want to come back to later, and it can help you stay organized without losing track of important chats. Just a quick note before we begin. Marking a message as unread only changes how it appears for you. It does not undo a read receipt for the other person, and it doesn't delete or hide the conversation. Think of it as a personal reminder to revisit that thread. Let's start on mobile, whether you're using Android or iPhone. First, open the Messenger app. When it loads, you'll land in your chats list, which shows your most recent conversations. Find the conversation you want to flag. Press and hold on that conversation until a menu appears. From that menu, tap Mark as unread. You'll notice the conversation becomes bold again, and you may see a small indicator next to it. That visual cue is there to remind you to return to the chat later. If you ever don't see the option right away, make sure your app is up to date and double-check that you're pressing and holding on the conversation from the main chats list, not inside the conversation itself. This works for both one-on-one messages and group chats, and it won't notify anyone that you changed the status. Now let's do the same thing on a computer using Messenger.com or Facebook in your browser. Open Messenger. In the list of chats on the left side, hover your mouse over the conversation you want to flag. When you hover, you'll see an icon with 3 dots appear. Click the 3 dots to open the Options menu, then select Mark as unread. Just like on mobile, the conversation will appear bold in your chat list, signaling that it's something to revisit. The placement of the 3 dots can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but it will always show up when you hover over the conversation in the chat list. That's all there is to it. On both mobile and desktop, marking a conversation as unread is a quick way to keep your inbox tidy and make sure you don't forget to reply. Remember, this is a personal reminder tool. It won't change what the other person sees. If you rely on this regularly, consider checking your chat list for bold conversations at the start or end of your day to stay on top of follow-ups. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to mark messages as unread in Facebook Messenger on any device.